Here we will present a case of a triple DSAEK. At this time, a handheld trephine is used to mark an 8.5 mm diameter circle on the surface of the cornea. An approximately 4 mm in length, short peripheral corneal tunnel incision is created. Through which a standard cataract surgery will be performed. Here a cystotome is used to initiate a continuous curvilinear capsular rhexis, and the nucleus, after being hydrodissected with BSS, will be removed via the divide and conquer method. After the last quadrant is removed, residual cortical material will be removed with the INA handpiece. The capsular bag is then filled with Helon. And a single piece IOL is injected into the capsular bag. Residual viscoelastic material is removed from the eye with the INA handpiece. A small amount of Helon is then injected into the anterior chamber to provide a space to perform the desmetorrhexis. The desmetorrhexis is performed with the reverse Sinski hook. The endothelium is carefully scored for 360 degrees. The host endothelium and Descemet's membrane is then carefully removed. Four full-thickness stab incisions are made in the 4 quadrants. Demonstrated here is a 25 gauge ILM forcept, which is used to pull the graft into the eye. This is made by Alcon and exhibits a larger excursion as well as enabling you to bend the forcept at the desired location. The INA handpiece is again used to carefully remove all viscoelastic material. IA is done for approximately 5 minutes. Myocol is then injected into the anterior chamber to constrict the pupil. An anterior chamber maintainer is then placed superiorly. Attention is then turned to the donor tissue, where a Baron trephine punch is used to create the graft button. With care taken to center the graft. The graft is then transferred to the edge of the punch, where it is marked with an S on the stromal side. The graft is then transferred to the Busen glide, and pulled into position using the ILM forceps. The Busen glide is turned over, and the ILM forceps is used to pull the graft into the anterior chamber with appropriate orientation being maintained and verified by seeing the S. The anterior chamber maintainer is removed, the temporal incision is sutured, and air is injected through the superior paracentesis to achieve a complete fill. The stab incisions are carefully milked for any interface fluid. And here is just comparing the two instruments, the Moria forceps with the ILM forceps.